Dear esteemed clients, as we bid farewell to 2024, I want to take a moment to reflect on a year filled with the challenges. Despite a dynamic and unpredictable market, we managed to contain stable order volumes, steadily improving our performance and earning continuous trust and positive feedback from our clients. This is a testament to our commitment to quality service and delivering the right solutions for every project. Looking ahead to 2025, I'm excited to continue leveraging my 7 years of experience in prefab steel structure buildings. We will keep adapting to industry trends, focusing on providing polarized solutions for our clients, ensuring excellence in every aspect of quality and service. Thank you to our dedicated team and to all our clients for your ongoing trust and support. Together, we will achieve even greater success in the year ahead. Wishing everyone a prosperous and healthy 2025.